Britain once tried to tax salt in India with a wall made of thorns. Not a metaphor, a real customs barrier running across the country, watched by thousands of men, because salt was too profitable to let people move freely. The machine began as customs posts under the East India Company. Officials wanted to stop untaxed coastal salt from crossing inland, so posts became a line, and the line kept stretching. By the 19th century, it ran roughly from the Punjab toward the Bay of Bengal, over rivers, roads, and dry country. On maps, it looks like somebody drew a scar down northern India. At first, the barrier used dead thorn branches piled into a fence. Then officers tried to make it grow. Indian plum, babool, cactus, and other thorny plants were nursed, cut, patched, watered, and guarded until stretches became a living hedge. Reports described parts of it as 12 feet high and 14 feet thick. That is not a garden hedge. That is a bureaucratic bramble fortress built so a basket of salt could not sneak past a tax collector. The Inland Customs Department posted officers, jemadars, and patrolmen along the route. At its peak, more than 14,000 people worked the line. Smugglers cut gaps. Animals broke it. Monsoon floods tore sections open. Workers stitched the thorns back together. Then the logic collapsed. In the 1870s, the British reorganized salt duties and moved taxation closer to production, making the giant inland barrier too expensive and absurd to keep. The line was abandoned in 1879. So the nonsense is not only that an empire taxed a necessity, it is that it tried to enforce that tax with thousands of miles of living thorns, then spent decades losing the hedge back to the landscape.